What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Orion Protocol. Just saw this cryptocurrency, I actually didn't know it yet. Looks interesting, it's relatively small market cap, so a lot of potential to grow. And when I looked at the chart, you can actually see on the daily that Orion has been in a consolidation for quite some time. So ultimately, I'd say the consolidation is between 10.6 and 6.6. And it actually bounced off of that support level around 6.6. It bounced off of 6.9. Which leads me to believe that there at least is short-term bullish potential. But because we are in the bull cycle of the whole crypto market, I think there's also a chance for every crypto that has been in consolidation accumulation for this long to actually break out. So I'm just going to discuss that scenario with you too. So I think price is making very nice bullish moves right now. It might drop down to 8.1, but I think we are heading for the upper bound after the support touch at 6.9. So we might find some resistance, maybe 1 to 2 touches at 9.8. As you can see, there's a big confluence resistance area. So we might take a hit off of that, but then I think we are in for a break retest off of 9.0 and then ultimately are going to break through that 9.8 area to move up to 10.6, which is the upper bound of the consolidation. And to be a little bit more realistic, that price movement might be a little bit more like this. There you go, some more touches at the important key areas or price levels. And if we are at 10.6, I actually think that we have a potential to break out, but that really depends on a price action before that. So if we, for example, only need one touch at this resistance and break through, I think we have a real shot at breaking through. And I actually don't think that when it happens, we will find any resistance at 10.6. I think it's more likely what you see in uptrends and bull moves, that we break through, take a break retest off of that area, because this is one hell of a key level. Just to be honest, there's a real key level and some Fibonacci's. So in case a bullish breakout will happen, I think it will happen immediately after breaking this resistance at 9.9, 10.0 ultimately. And I think we're up for first of all 12.3 as an initial price target, and a little bit later on, so that might take a couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. My price target would be 13.5. So, and if the price hits that target, this price prediction and price analysis is really due for an update, because there will be way more price action to base that analysis off of. These are just some interesting levels, which I think the price will at least find some resistance of from. And the other case is when the price does find resistance at 10.6. So if the price does something like this, bounces all the way back to 9.6, maybe takes another resistance hit off of 10.6, then I think we're due for a small downtrend again, or in the long term consolidation all the way up until 6.9 again, or when a big bull run happens, and that could be sparked by catalysts such as news, such as it being listed on another big exchange, such as it getting name dropped somewhere important by Vitalik, for example. But yeah, until that time, I think it is heading down for a consolidation. If, as I said, it finds a lot of resistance, if it finds a lot of resistance off of 10.6 once, twice, or thrice, or 3 times. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Orion Protocol, and that's my opinion, my analysis based on technical analysis. And it's in no shape or form financial advice, so I just want you to know that. Do your own research as well. I'd advise you to do that. And yeah, if you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.